Hi friends, welcome back to Amma's Nalapaka. Today, let's make quick and tasty restaurant style veg fried rice. Let's start. First, soak 250 grams of basmati rice in water. Boil water in a pot. Once the water starts boiling, add the soaked rice. Cook on medium flame until the rice turns soft and grains separate well. Turn off the flame. Drain any extra water if needed and let the rice sit for 5 minutes. Heat 2 to 3 spoons of oil in a hot pan. Now add finely chopped 1 inch ginger, 12 garlic clove and 4 green chili. Saute for few seconds until fragrant. Now add 2 finely sliced onions, stir fry on a high flame. Next add 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of beans, a pinch of salt and mix them well. Add finely chopped capsicum and thinly shredded cabbage. Close the lid and cook for a few minutes. Add chopped spring onions and give it a good mix. Now add 1 teaspoon soya sauce, half teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and mix it well. Also include a spoon of ketchup. Now add cooked rice and pinch of salt. Toss everything gently on a high flame until well combined. Our delicious veg fried rice is ready. Serve hot and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Amma's Nalapaka. See you soon in the next video.